Gonna go ahead and show you how to use the template here for creating a PDF for current residents or current fellows. Really easy. We have two options now. We have the Google Documents option. You can do it like that, or you can do it through Word. The biggest thing is we just want the format to look pretty standardized, and we understand that some of these may change. You might have to add in some other medical school information. You may not need research interest, or you might not want to include email information. Those can be changed out. Just make sure that it looks the same. The first ones here are bolded. After that, it's not bold. We just want to make sure, again, that they look very similar to other programs as well. Whether or not you want to call it program year or PGY, that's up to you, and we can go ahead and do that. You also have the ability to just select these and delete, as well as going in, and you can always create another line if you need to. Highlight it, you can copy, and then you can paste it again underneath it, just like you would do in a normal Word or Google document. The biggest thing here we want to do is, of course, changing out the photos. So when you have your photos ready, they should be formatted and cropped to the correct format, but the size may be different. So I don't want you to click and delete the photo that's here. I want you to click and right click, and we're going to do replace image. So if you replace image, you can easily do that. And on Google Documents, you can upload from the computer, which is most likely where those images are stored, or you have other options if you store them on Google Photos, have it at a URL, or even a camera option. So when you do that, if we go ahead here, and I'm going to actually replace by URL just because I had one selected before. So I have no idea who this person is, but I just selected one randomly off Google and got the URL for it right there. And that's the picture. I'm going to say replace, and you'll see that the size stays the same, doesn't change anything to the format of this. So you can do that across the board, update what you have to here based on name, class. If they're fellows, obviously you can put where they did their residency or residencies, as well as medical school and anything else that you think should be added. Just make sure you do that for everyone across the board here. And then when we're done, you can, of course, save a copy for yourself right on Google Documents, but then we're going to ask at the web team for you to go to File, Download As, Export as PDF, and that will create the PDF, and that's what you're going to send to us. So that makes it nice and easy to do, and that's all we're going to ask. And of course, again, you could add more lines, delete them as you see fit, and if you have additional fellows or residents, you can easily do that. So this is for working with Google Documents, and the next video is going to show how to do this the same way with Microsoft Word.